The village was quiet in the early morning. Small houses stood near the dusty road. Birds sang on the trees. Inside one simple house lived a man named Raju and his wife Meena. Raju was known in the village as a lazy husband. He loved to sleep late every day. When the sun was high, he was still in bed. Meena woke up early and cleaned the house. She cooked food and washed clothes. Raju did not help her. He only turned on his bed and closed his eyes again. Meena felt tired but said nothing. She believed her husband would change one day. She spoke to him with a soft voice. She asked him to wake up and work. Raju smiled and said he would do it tomorrow. Tomorrow never came. The days passed slowly like this. Meena worked and Raju rested. The house stayed small and poor. Still, Meena kept hope in her heart. Every day, Meena went to the small field near the house. She grew vegetables there. She carried water in a bucket. The sun was hot, and her hands were weak. She still worked with care. Raju stayed at home and watched people walk by. He talked to friends and laughed. When Meena returned home, she was tired and silent. She cooked rice and lentils. Raju ate the food and said nothing. He did not ask about her day. At night, Meena lay on the mat and looked at the roof. She thought about her life. She wanted peace and love. She wanted her husband to stand with her. She did not want rich things. She only wanted help and respect. Tears came to her eyes, but she wiped them away. She did not want to cry every night. She prayed quietly and slept. One morning, something different happened. Meena fell sick. Her body felt hot and weak. She could not stand. She stayed in bed. Raju woke up late as usual. He saw Meena lying still. He felt surprised. He asked her what happened. Meena spoke slowly. She said she was not well. She asked for water. Raju looked around. He felt confused. He did not know where things were. He had never worked in the house. Still, he gave her water. He felt strange inside. Meena did not cook that day. There was no food. Raju felt hungry. He went outside to buy food. He used as little money. For the first time, he felt the weight of work. He came back tired. He looked at Meena and felt quiet. That night, he could not sleep well. The next day, Meena was still weak. Raju had to do many things. He cleaned the house badly. He cooked simple food. The food did not taste good. He washed clothes but hurt his hands. He felt angry and tired. He thought about Meena. She did all this every day. He never helped her. He felt shame in his heart. When Meena woke up, she saw the messy house. She smiled a little. She saw Raju trying. Raju looked at her and said sorry. His voice was low. He said he did not know her pain before. Meena listened quietly. She did not speak much. Her eyes were soft. That day, Raju stayed home. He did not go out to talk. He watched Meena sleep. He thought about his life. He felt a small change inside his heart. After 3 days, Meena felt better. She stood up slowly. She thanked Raju for the help. Raju felt shy. He said he would help every day. Meena did not fully believe him, but she smiled. The next morning, Raju woke up early. The sun was not high yet. Meena was surprised. Raju swept the floor. He brought water. He helped in the kitchen. His hands were slow, but his heart was ready. The work was hard, but he did not stop. Meena felt happy inside. She felt less alone. They ate breakfast together. It was simple food, but it tasted good. Raju felt proud. He felt strong. He saw Meena smile again. That smile touched his heart. He wanted to see it every day. He promised himself to change. Days passed, and Raju kept his promise. He worked in the field with Meena. He planted seeds and pulled weeds. The sun was hot, but he stayed. People in the village saw him working. They felt surprised. They talked about the change. Raju did not listen to them. He focused on his work. Meena felt peace. Her body felt lighter. Her heart felt warm. At night, they talked more. They shared small dreams. Raju listened carefully. He learned to care. The house felt different now. It felt alive. Laughter came back. Even the walls seemed brighter. Raju understood that work was not a burden. It was a way to show love. He felt happy when Meena rested. He felt proud when they worked together. Life felt simple and good. One evening, a storm came. The wind was strong. Rain fell hard. The field was in danger. Raju ran outside. Meena followed him. They saved the plants together. Their clothes were wet. Their hands were dirty. Still, they laughed. They worked as one. After the storm, they came home. They sat near the fire. Raju gave Meena warm tea. She smiled and thanked him. Raju looked at her and felt deep care. He remembered his lazy days. He felt regret. He said he was sorry again. Meena held his hand. She said she was happy now. That moment was quiet and strong. They did not need many words. Their hearts spoke. The storm outside was gone. The storm inside Raju was also gone. With time, their life improved. The field gave more food. They sold vegetables in the market. They saved some money. Raju worked hard every day. He woke up early and slept on time. He stopped wasting his days. Meena felt proud of him. She spoke kindly to others about her husband. People respected Raju now. He did not feel lazy anymore. He felt useful. He felt needed. He understood that love grows with care and effort. At night, he thanked Meena for her patience. Meena smiled and said nothing. Her eyes showed peace. Their home was still small, but it was full of warmth. They learned that change is slow but possible. A lazy heart can learn to work. One day, Raju met a young man in the village. The man was lazy too. He did not work. He laughed all day. Raju saw his old self in him. He talked to the man kindly. He shared his story. He spoke about pain and change. The man listened. He felt ashamed. Raju did not shout. He did not judge. He only shared truth. Meena watched from far. She felt proud again. Raju had grown. He was not just a better husband. He was a better person. The village slowly changed too. People helped each other more. Small changes spread like light. Meena believed that love can teach more than anger. Raju believed that work can heal the heart. Years later, Raju and Meena sat outside their house. The sun was setting. The sky was orange and calm. They drank tea together. Their hair was a little gray. Their hands were tired but strong. Raju looked at Meena and smiled. He thanked her again. He said she saved him. Meena said they saved each other. They sat in silence. The silence was peaceful. Their life was not perfect, but it was real. It was built with effort and love. The lazy husband was lazy no more. He learned the value of time and care. Their story was simple, but deep. It showed that change begins at home. It showed that patience can change a heart.